Hi, my name is Kristin Weiss. I currently live in Madison, Wisconsin, and I am a former collegiate women's soccer player. So unfortunately, I had some bad luck in college and did 3 ACL reconstructions within 4 years. So I did a lot of damage to my knees. Grew up playing soccer my whole life. I was fortunate enough to play with our U.S. women's national team and went on to play collegiately at the University of Virginia, where I spent a few years playing there. When I was about 30, I was experiencing a lot of pain, not playing soccer, but just walking up and down steps, just everyday movement. To the point where it was affecting my quality of life. I knew Dr. Chakravarty for years prior to him becoming my orthopedic surgeon. And he always took time out of his day to ask me how my knees were doing, to examine me, pull me aside and kind of just feel things out. So he was invested just in who I was and how I was doing before he ever became my surgeon.
So I've known Kristin for a few years now. She is a young person, and over time I started to notice that she was limping more and more and kind of protecting her knee. And through the sport, she unfortunately sustained multiple injuries, and that culminated in ACL reconstructions and a revision reconstruction. But over time, that kind of manifested into having severe arthritis. Now, because of Kristin's age, that's a tough place to be in, because the only valuable treatment after that point is a total knee replacement.
Because I had such a great relationship with Dr. Chakravarty, he checked in on me so frequently. When I was in the hospital, he came right away after surgery just to make sure that I was progressing the way that I should be, to make sure my pain was under control and that I had everything that I needed.
She had such a great positive disposition and attitude that really helped her through it. And sure enough, after a few weeks, she's back to doing the activities she loves to do and going back to an active lifestyle.
My experience with Orthopedic Spine Centers of Wisconsin was incredibly positive. From the treatment I got from the surgeons all the way to the front staff, they make sure that everything is handled seamlessly. And when you're in that kind of pain, to then have something that can just take it away right away is incredible. So I'm able to do everything that I want to be doing.